So, good morning to all of you. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. The problem is already given to you on the vertical form of balance sheet of the company account. So, first of all, make the tick marks to the items which are having the adjustments. In the additional information, the authorized share capital of the company was rupees 60 lakhs divided into 6 lakhs equity shares of rupees 10 each. So, when we are making the share capital account note, at that time we can record the authorized capital. Then B adjustment is sundry debtors which are all unsecured and considered good, including rupees 1,80,000 due for more than 6 months. So sundry debtors are given 11 lakhs. Make the tick mark to the sundry debtors. Then C adjustment is investment represent 5,000 equity shares in X Limited of rupees 10 each, rupees 4 per share called and paid up. So investment having face value of rupees 10, but actually rupees 4 is called up and paid up on that. So investment, make the tick mark. Then the adjustment is given bills receivable discounted with bank not matured till the balance sheet date amounted to rupees 15,000. So this is the adjustment which is after the balance sheet date. So it is not matured. That means we cannot taken into account this adjustment. So one by one, we can now prepare the vertical form of balance sheet and then the accounting notes which are required in the balance sheet. So first of all, give the heading on the front of the page. In the books of Neelam Electronics, use the heading in the books of Neelam Electronics Limited. Next line, vertical form of balance sheet. Vertical form of balance sheet. As on 31st March 2018. As on 31st March 2018. Now make 4 columns for the balance sheet. First is particulars, big column. Particulars, big column. Then account note number. Second column, account note number. Then third is inner amount. Inner amount. And the fourth is outer amount. Fourth is outer amount. I think you have already write down the, I think that you have already write down the balance sheet format in your notebook, which I have sent initially. So according to that format, Roman 1 in the particulars, Roman 1 in the particulars, equity and liabilities. First heading, Roman 1, equity and liabilities. Underline. Then under that, number 1, simple number 1, Shareholders funds. Shareholders funds. Now for this, again underline and keep 2 lines blank. Shareholders funds, number 1, underline and keep 2 lines blank. Then next heading number 2. Next heading number 2. Non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. Underline, keep 1 line blank. Keep 1 line blank. Then main number 3. Number 3. Current liabilities. Current liabilities. Make an underline and into that keep 5 lines blank. In the current liabilities, keep 5 lines blank. So these 3 main heads are relates to the equity and liabilities. Equity and liabilities. Then next line, Roman 2. Big Roman 2. Assets. Assets. Underline. Into that again number 1. Into that again number 1. Non-current assets. Non-current assets. Underline to it and keep 4 or 5 lines blank. Keep 4 or 5 lines blank. Then number 2. Number 2. Current assets. Current assets. Again underline. Underline. Keep 3 or 4 lines blank. Keep 3 or 4 lines blank. Now these 2 main heads are for the assets. So balance sheet vertical form is to be complete. Now give the another heading, account notes. Account notes. Next line number 1. Next line number 1. Share capital. Share capital. So accounting notes are start with the share capital liability side. Share capital. Now here keep 5 lines blank. For first account notes, share capital, keep 5 lines blank. Then account note number 2. Account note number 2. Reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus. Underline. Here also keep 5 to 6 lines blank. 5 to 6 lines blank. Then number 3, account note number 3, long-term borrowings. Long-term borrowings. Underline and keep one line blank. Underline and keep one line blank. Next, account note number 4, short-term borrowings. Short-term borrowings. Underline, keep one line blank. One line is sufficient. One line blank. Then fifth account note, trade payables. Trade payables. Now here keep 3 lines blank. Keep 3 lines blank. Next, number 6, account note number 6, other current liabilities. Other current liabilities. Underline. Here also